So upgraded to the 4" by 4" hubs I got from BMI. For the front wheels. Put on some golf cart tires, so that's what I had available right now. And I meant the overall stance looks so much better. Couple issues here though. I can see with turns, tire does rub. So I think a skinnier ATV tire will resolve that. We'll see how tie rods hold up with the bigger tires on here. I'll probably have to adjust my shocks a little bit. That way I can mess with the camber just a little bit. But overall, I'm pleased with the way it looks. Once I find some skinnier tires, I think it'll look nice with the 8" all around. Take it for a test drive. Okay, I did take it for a test drive, and I do like the overall ride height and, you know, the look of it, the aggressiveness. I do think this is a really cool hub. I like the fact that I can just change the wheels as I want, you know. I can upgrade to the larger ATV tires. That is what this Yerf Dog needs. You can see the difference here between the 16 by, what is it, 6, shit, I can't remember, 15 by 6 by 6" stock tire. I used the ribs, and the golf cart tire that I used. Golf cart tire being way too fat. So if I could find some ATV rims that are just skinnier, because that 18.5" or 8.5" wide golf cart tire is just not gonna cut it. Maybe if I had some 18" 7" you know, ATV tires would be a lot better. But